Good morning, guys. Long time back, I am taking video in one place near to my place only. This place is nearby Dental Medical College. The project is ongoing. I am showing this building of that medical college. The construction is still going on. So this place from my home here 1.5 kilometers. Just watch and enjoy this place. See guys, how beautiful this place is. How beautiful. I'm going to climb small. Okay. 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 How beautiful. There's some agriculture is going on. Morning. See this place. How beautiful. Far away there is a flower farm. Some guys are working there, their morning walk. See the place, guys. Beautiful. Nobody is there. I am in the kind of small forest. Okay, guys, I am ending this video here. See you. Bye bye.